Today, we are going to take you on a journey to one of the most exciting and colorful events in Cyprus, the Limassol Carnival Festival. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Traveler Glory. Before we dive into this journey, if you haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe it, press the ring button so you don't miss any of our future adventure. Let's begin. Limassol Carnival traces its roots back to ancient times where celebrations were as wild as the mythical creature in the stories. Now, city has transformed this legend into a modern-day extravaganza that's as lively as ever. Limassol Carnival Festival is an annual celebration that takes place 12 days before the start of Lent, period of fasting and repentance before Easter Orthodox Christian tradition. It's a time of joy, laughter, and creativity, where people of all ages and backgrounds come together to express themselves to have blast. The carnival is also a chance to experience the culture and history of Limassol, the second largest city in Cyprus and the major tourist destination. As you can see, the carnival is a lot of fun, but it also requires a lot of preparation and dedication. Some people spend months designing and making their costumes, while others join groups and clubs that organize events. And all the people who comes to enjoy the parade normally get their costume from Jambo. Limassol is the fashion capital of carnival costume. From mythical gods, modern pop icons, even superheroes. The creativity here is off the chart. Street becomes stages during the carnival and performance takes the spotlight. Watch out for the dance troops, musicians. Don't be surprised if you bump into a walking talking ancient deity. Carnival is a great opportunity to show off your creativity and styles. You can dress up as anything as you want, from movie character or mythical creature. Carnival calories don't count, right? Limassol Carnival food scene is the feast for the senses. From traditional lokomades, souvlaki, heroes, ice cream, everything is around the corner. Carnival parades start from Ios Nicholas roundabout and end at Polymetia traffic lights. The parade will be headed by the Queen of the Carnivals, the Jewel of Mediterranean. Now we are going to enjoy the parade. We will be going to locate superhero, movie star, mythical character. The parade is full of surprises and creative, and you never know what you are going to see next. And that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much I enjoyed making it. The Limassol Carnival Festival is truly a unique and wonderful event, and I highly recommend you to visit. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like our video, comment your feedback. If you haven't subscribed it, please subscribe our channel. Stay tuned. Goodbye.